I am supporting Peter Obi because I know Peter Obi, when Peter Obi win, it will be better for all of us. I am from Adamawa State, so please, together we can take back this country. So please, let's vote for Peter Obi, be the right candidate to change, transform this country and to take it for our promised land. So please, let's vote for Peter Obi for next coming election because Peter Obi is the right man. We take it for our promised land. So my name is John Solem from Adamawa State. So I decided to vote for Peter Obi. I choose the right man because all our leaders, they are useless us. See, if we check now, us from north, poverty number one is from north. The Aboro don't take over this country, this Lagos. We don't have peace. Anyway, we want to enter motor, no peace, no freedom. Any bus stop. So by the time they come back again, if we don't find solution for this, I think police go drop gun and Aboro will take over this Lagos. So we need change. This EPC don't useless us. Enough is enough. It is over. If I believe this our next coming governor, this will change. We need change. We need new change. We need change. This must change. We say by force, they will force you to. In fact, enough is enough. Please, let's together change. Get your PVC. I am John Solem from Adamawa State, live here in Ojo. God bless you all. Get your PVC, don't forget. In case, go and collect your PVC. God bless us. God bless Nigeria.
the party we are into, the Labour Party, is a moving party. It's a party of success. It's a party of achieving. It's a party of developing. And I know for the governor of Lagos State, of the Labour, is going to deliver and going to rescue the problem of Lagos State. And also of construction of the roads, and also the school, and also the health-wise. I believe it's going to do better than the rest governors that have been done. And also for the president, our able president, Peter Obi, obedient, who believe is going to rescue Nigeria out of problem we are into today, out of insecurity, out of schoolless, out of many things. Poverty is going to remove us from poverty alleviation and other problems that surround the country. And the peace that has not been held is going to restore peace in Nigeria by the name of Jesus Christ.
Labour Party is our own. Labour Party is our own. Nigeria go better when Labour Party on the road. Labour Party is our own. Labour Party is our own. Nigeria go better when Labour Party on the road.
We want the nation to change so that the old ones will go and rest. Let the youths rule. That is why we are here. I agree. Rice was 30 naira. A bag of rice was 30 naira. 1 kilo of turkey is 5 naira. But now we cannot buy anything again. A kilo of turkey now is 2.5. Rice is now 35,000. So we want everything to come down so that our grandchildren and those that are coming will save for us.
We now sing our campaign anthem. Let me give you the words. We have decided to save Nigeria. And we have decided to follow Peter. And we have decided to vote for Labour. There is no turning back.
Oh, yes, yes.
We have decided to save Nigeria. We have decided to follow Peter. We have decided to vote for Labour. No turning back. No turning back. One more time. We have decided to save Nigeria. We have decided to follow Peter. We have decided to vote for Labour. No turning back. No turning back.
We want a Lagos. We are going to create a Lagos that puts you first. A Lagos that is transparent and accountable. A Lagos where when we plan to do something, we are doing it at the best possible price, in the fastest possible time to deliver to the most amount of people. And we are going to center our policy around making sure that the quality of lives of Lagosians are improved. We are not going to be doing incremental, where every four years they are still sitting in traffic for 4 hours. No. We are going to finish all our projects in a quick way that will ensure that the people have a quality of life, a good quality of life. From the transport system to the accommodation system. I'm an architect, so housing is very important to me. Affordable housing, making sure that people have access to housing. And then transportation, ensuring that all our trains and our water transports are working. We are going to make sure that we have a livable Lagos, a Lagos where affordable housing are possible, where you don't have to be paying all your rents immediately, because it's very hard. These are things that make life hard for Lagosians. We're going to work on water to make sure that people have access to clean water. We are going to have a Lagos that's for everybody, from the market leaders to the tech entrepreneurs. A Lagos that makes all of them grow and flourish. We are going to have a grassroots Lagos. A Lagos where we are going to make sure that the local governments are empowered so that they can do quality work, so that they can manage the security. They can ensure that the youth in their area get skills so that they can be employed. We're going to make sure we have an open Lagos, a Lagos where the accounting is transparent, so that people know what we are spending, because we owe them that. We make our money from tax. So we must have sacrosanct, the social security. And then Lagos must be secure. We are going to ensure that we have a proper security monitoring team and work with the police and empower them to make sure that our state is safe. And if anybody does anything, they can be found, they can be caught, and they can be brought to justice rapidly.
We have a lot of program for the women. What we're doing today is to speak to the women, to showcase the women, and we wanted to start with that. You know, Labour is Baba, Mama, Pikin. All the people you see today, now Mama of our governor. So we just come to show support on the first day that election commenced. We have a lot of empowerment program for the women, and if you look through our manifesto, which will be published soon, you can see all the agenda we have for Lagos State. How we can further develop Lagos State, how we can empower the women, the girl child, how we can develop our institutions, how we can do enable good governance in Lagos State. So that is part and parcel of our manifesto, which we are going to be running with in this 2023 election. So we're calling on Lagosians, home and abroad, that a new development is coming to Lagos, a new change, our Lagos. The indigenous, non-indigenous, we are all Lagosians. So we want to take this Lagos with benefit of governance to the ordinary person, based on the resources that we have in Lagos. So our agenda is very watertight. And once we come to present them, you will see all that we have going for Lagos State.
I joined Labour Party because I need a new Nigeria. I need a good legislative system in our area. I joined the party because our people have been marginalized for so long, for many years. Ojo has not been like part of Lagos State. The development other local governments enjoy has not been getting to Ojo local government in full. And this time we've moved and we're ready to do everything humanly possible to make Ojo a great local government again.
I'm here because of Labour Party to support Gbadebo and the deputy and Peter Obi. We want Nigeria to change because things is not going well. And we don't want our children to suffer. We want good things in Nigeria. Old men, they have been doing it. We want youth to do it now so that Nigeria will change. Our children coming, they will not suffer. May God help Labour Party.
Labour Party is the party that many people like, and me too. I like Labour Party. Why is that? Because of tomorrow, we see the future of tomorrow. That is why I decided to vote for Peter Obi, which is Labour Party.
Hello, Labour Party, Papa, Mama, Pikin,
I've taken the stock of my business. I find out I'm not doing well again, in as much as the rate of how much I'm buying dollar to do my transaction. So I felt that I'm missing a lot. So I want to vote for Labour Party so that he will revise the rate of how much money was, how much dollar was before now. I know it was 220 before Goodluck left this particular seat. So I want to vote for Labour Party to revise it back so that business can flow in this Nigeria.